panel off, we'll go on the inside and see what's wrong with it, and then we'll go from there.
So the problem is that the door handle, the plunger doesn't work?
Yeah, the plunger will not open the door. So, I mean, it plunges, but the door won't release the mechanism. So we're going inside here, one in the front, one in the back. Oh, and you'll notice the window, there's a hole here because they moved the crank. Why they did that between the El Camino and this, I don't know. And I had to make this hole because the Chevelle didn't have the wind wing. So the next tool, there's two of these. There's for these clips right here. And you just slide it, and you pop this little spring off. Don't lose these. They make them aftermarket. You can still buy them. And well, if it wasn't rusty, it'd pop right off. There we go. Same thing on these. You can put them on either way, but it's best to put them on towards the front. And they pop off. And sometimes like that makes it nice and easy. You can see how this tool pushes into these little slots and slides that back, because those little tangs is what locks the knob in. So perfect. Oh, look at this. Now see, this wind wing gear in here is stripped. Someone broke into this window just to steal my Pioneer speakers.
Hold up. You messing with my truck? You messing with my truck, dipstick?
Back in like 1992 or something like that. I don't know. These screws down here on the bottom. Phillips. And look, when they snag on things, they could tear through. You want to be careful. What magnetic. There's the plastic push-in. So you got to be careful when you pull these, because this is cardboard and it'll rip the cardboard, and then the stuff won't fit. They make, as you can see, this one's already in bad. So you can see where the clip came off of that one. Okay, once everything's popped loose, give it a little wiggle, lift it straight up, panel comes off. That's it. You see the plunger actually moving?
So what are you doing?
I'm manually hitting the, so I might have to bend it. I'm going to lube everything up here. Give everything a nice spray. There we go. Alright. Now, on the little actuator up here, and I think, because it's a flat piece, I think if I just bend it over a little bit with a pair of pliers, that'll cover it. It's just getting weak, so let me get some pliers. Smallest pliers, channel locks. Now we'll go in and then see what we can do to bend that tank. Okay, because it's like right up against it now. Okay, now you see it? You need some more light?
No, I can see it.
I just bent that backwards towards the back end of the door, to where the metal rod from the door handle will push against it now. See, perfect. Ta-da! Now we get in and out of this without having to climb through the truck.
Alright, these guys are getting way too dangerous on us.